Are you looking for a work from home job? Watch this. Alright guys, if you've been paying attention to my channel, you know a lot of my channel has been going towards, talking about basically being your own boss type stuff. But I still wanted to, share different work from home jobs for those who want just strictly, an hourly job where you can have a time slot. You work 9 to 5 from home with your headset on or typing or whatever. It's all good. I got you. All right, company I want to talk about, I think I talked about a long time ago, but I've seen that they're still looking for people, and it's a company called Working Solutions. All right, this is a phone-based job where you can work from the comfort of your own home, and it is, I'm not sure exactly what the pay is. I'm assuming, I want to say maybe, I know it's over $8. It might even be $10 and $12 an hour positions depending on the job. This is a site that if you get hired for the overall company, you actually be assigned different projects. Damn, I can't talk today. Different projects. So you could be the person that handles like reservations for like hotels and vacations and flight tickets and you name it. Or you might be in charge of getting like concert tickets or doing customer support, you name it. Basically anything that got to do with like customer support, you might be involved in as a representative of Working Solutions, right? So I ain't said this in a while, but if you don't like talking to people on the phone and you refuse to, this probably not for you. All right, but if you don't mind it and you're looking for some, I guess once you're in, it's pretty consistent work, if you're looking for that and you don't mind talking to people, definitely check it out. I will put a link in the description where you can check out more information and actually apply for them. But you will need, obviously, a computer. There's certain requirements that your computer need to have, but most likely most people meet those requirements that I've seen. You will need a headset now. If you don't got a headset, I actually got two. Here's what the look. I can't even. Can you see this? All right, yeah, you can see this. It's caught on something. Hold on. There you go. Bam. All right, this one I got. And I have another one. I don't know where it's at. I think it's in my drawer over there. But this is the headset. So, you'll be like this. I used to use this all the time. And actually, I did do work from home jobs, so that's why I got this. But anyway, you be sitting there, typing. You be like this. Yes, so and so. How may I help you? You know what I mean? So you can get one of these actually, and this is a good headset. I got two of them. I got an iMicro or which. Yeah, this isn't the one, but I'll put a link if you need a headset. If you don't got one, you definitely want to snatch one up. I'll put a link in the description of this video. You click on like more details, more info, whatever. I'll put a link to the ones I got because both ones I got work really, really good, and they're fairly inexpensive. So even if you're not trying to get this work from home job and you're looking for one and you don't have a headset, you slipping. Definitely get you a little headset just in case you get called for one of these jobs, because a lot of times if you apply for a job, they might call you or email you 2 days later and be like, when can you start training? You know what I'm saying? So if you don't got a headset, you got to wait to go get one or hurry up and go buy one. So that's that. You will need, like I said, a computer, certain requirements. You will need a headset and a quiet work environment, which is basically common sense. So another thing I was going to say about the headset too, why you should have one, because a lot of times on the application they'll actually ask you, do you have a headset? And sometimes they even ask you, what kind of headset do you got? So something you might want to think about. So there you have it, Working Solutions. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, click the link in the description, check it out, apply for it. And if you get it, come back, let people know, how the job was, how long did it take you to get hired, so on and so forth. All right, so check that out. Be sure to comment and share and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn how to make a full-time income online, join ClickBank University. Link in the description.